I'm Stephanie from StephanieKNaturals.com, and I'm going to show you ways to wear perfume. Now, if you are wearing a liquid perfume, there are two ways. If you have a spray bottle like this one, then it's just as simple as spraying it onto your skin. I don't recommend putting it on your clothing because it could possibly stain it, it could possibly damage it, especially if it's something like silk. So go ahead and spray it on your skin. If you put it on a pulse point like your wrist, it's going to diffuse a little more quickly. If you put it on somewhere else, somewhere maybe on your arm or somewhere that the blood is not quite as close to your skin, then it'll take more time for that to diffuse away. If you're using a perfume oil, then you're just putting it directly on your skin. And I try to not get it on my hands. And when I'm putting oil on my wrists, I'll rub my wrists together, and that way I'm not getting it anywhere on my hands or fingers. But I have it on both my wrists. You can also do the same with a solid perfume. This will come in a little tin, such as this, and then you just rub it on. You use your finger to apply it. Just rub it on your finger and then rub it into whatever area you would like to perfume. Just experiment with some different areas and see what you like the best.